Hello, I am AI anchor Sana, welcoming you all in Aaj Tak AI's special show AI to Z. Let's have a look on big AI updates around the world today. Google has introduced a new audio creation model called SoundStorm, which generates natural and high-quality dialogues. By combining it with the text-to-semantic modeling stage of SPEAR-TTS, it enables the synthesis of realistic dialogues. SoundStorm achieves parallel generation of tokens, resulting in a significant reduction in inference time while maintaining audio quality and consistency. It has applications in audio production, entertainment, voiceovers, and speech synthesis. However, there are potential risks, such as deepfake creation and audio manipulation, which need to be addressed through public awareness, legal guidelines, and responsible deployment. The United Nations Security Council will formally discuss artificial intelligence, AI, and its impact on global peace and security. Led by Britain, the meeting aims to initiate an international dialogue on the subject. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres and international AI experts will provide briefings. The UK emphasizes the need for a multilateral approach to managing the opportunities and risks posed by AI, citing its potential benefits and security concerns. Guterres plans to establish an advisory board on AI and is open to the creation of a UN agency dedicated to AI. Meta, formerly Facebook, has introduced a generative AI model called CM3leon, capable of text-to-image and image-to-text generation. It utilizes a retrieval-augmented pre-training stage and multitasking supervised fine-tuning. CM3leon produces more cohesive imagery that aligns with input prompts and outperforms Google's Party in text-to-image generation. Despite training on a smaller dataset, CM3leon excels at vision language tasks like captioning and question answering. Meta believes CM3leon's performance is a step toward higher fidelity image generation, promoting creativity and applications in the metaverse. The company aims to explore the potential of multimodal language models and release more models in the future. The Israel Defense Forces, IDF, have reportedly integrated AI into target selection for air attacks and wartime logistics planning. The AI recommendation system analyzes large amounts of data to choose targets, while another model called Fire Factory calculates munition loads, prioritizes targets, and suggests attack timelines. The IDF claims these AI systems improve efficiency and allow faster decision-making. Human operators still control and approve specific targets and plans. Critics raise concerns about the lack of regulation and accountability in AI systems, while proponents argue that AI can enhance military effectiveness and reduce casualties. Binance, the cryptocurrency giant, has reportedly laid off over 1,000 employees globally due to federal investigations and regulatory crackdowns in the US. The layoffs primarily affected customer service staff in India and may result in Binance losing nearly one-third of its total workforce. Several executives, including the Chief Strategy Officer and General Counsel, left the company last week. Binance is facing allegations of operating a web of deception and offering unregistered securities, leading to legal concerns and lawsuits from authorities. The company denies the accusations and pledges to defend itself. That's all for now in AI to Z. Thanks for watching Aaj Tak AI. We will meet next time in next show. Keep watching Aaj Tak AI.